In today's video, I'm going to show you how to combine email and SMS in a Mailchimp automation. First, log into your Mailchimp account, then click on Automations. Then next is click on Choose Flow Template. And here you'll see pre-made templates that you can use for you to be able to build or get your desired automation fast and easier. So here there are a bunch of options where email and SMS is already combined. Say for example, this automation to welcome new contacts with SMS and email. You also have here to send an email and SMS when a product is back in stock and a lot more. You can actually settle for those that are already created or is a pre-made automation. So this, for example, we're going to use this. So click on use this flow so that you don't have to build your automation one by one and from scratch. And from here, the only thing left for you to do is modify this flow to suit your needs and preference. And of course, fill out some details about the trigger, actions, and the automation in general. So here you must first select a connected store, then next is create an email, and of course the SMS contents and details. Here you can also add a few more steps if you want, and all you have to do is pick a content in the left panel, drag it, and drop it in the step block. Arrange the workflow so the trigger starts the automation, then the email sends first, followed by the SMS message. And once activated, MailChimp will automatically send both messages whenever the trigger happens. So that's pretty much it. Thank you very much for watching this video, and I'll see you again on the next one. Bye!